Good evening and welcome to the news bulletin right from the studios of Capital One TV. So today's important news is about the movement started by GAIL India Limited. The movement called the Hawa Badlo movement. What is this movement all about? We have interviewed Mr. Rupesh Kumar, who is the Chief Manager Corporate Communication GAIL India Limited. He has a lot of things to tell us about this particular movement. So let's hear it out from him itself.
Sir, please introduce yourself.
I am Rupesh Kumar, Chief Manager Corporate Communication, GAIL India Limited.
GAIL is taking the Habit Badlo campaign, Hawa Badlo campaign. Tell me about this.
Hawa Badlo campaign has been started by GAIL India Limited as a movement where we wanted each and every individual to contribute. This was started in 2016, and as of now, we have touched around 50 million people and more. And this campaign intends to invoke and sensitize people about how their daily activities can contribute in the changes in the environment. Taking cue of the Swachh Air mission of the Government of India, Swachh Bharat mission of Government of India, we also thought, why not start Swachh Air mission, Hawa Badlo, and make people sensitive about clean air. So recently in a study, it was found that out of 15 worst polluted cities in the world, 14 are from India. So it's a high time now, today, to actually start thinking about our environment and start working to change it. So this time we have started a campaign called Change the Habit, Change the Habitat Pledge, where we are asking the citizens of India to make small changes in the daily life and contribute to the environment. Take the pledge of Change the Habit, Change the Habitat, which is an initiative of GAIL India Limited. And this, we are talking about the habits of, like going in a carpool, using public transport, planting trees, using environment-friendly fuels like CNG. And for factory owners, we would request to convert to less polluting fuels like natural gas. So all this change in habit eventually will impact in changing the habitat, that is the environment around. So this particular movement is actually intended to people at large. And as a campaign and as a Hawa Badlo movement, we are looking towards taking 1 lakh pledge. We are asking to the people to take 1 lakh pledge. Currently, around 30,000 people have already taken the pledge of Change the Habit, Change the Habitat, among which are one of the renowned actresses like Richa Chadha, and a great cricketer, Mr. Gautam Gambhir, and many more celebrities are gradually being part of this campaign. Now we are looking forward towards more public getting actually involved in this campaign, taking this pledge and actually changing their habit on ground so that the habitat around also changes, and eventually we rank better in the world in terms of our environment, and which will actually lead to better environment in India. Thank you.
What kind of activities you have taken care in this Hawa Badlo campaign?
In the Hawa Badlo campaign, the Change the Habit, Change the Habitat campaign, this is largely a digital campaign where, and it's also integrated into radio and on-ground activities. So we have actually gone to almost 30 colleges. We intend to go to 30 colleges in the cities of Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore. We also intend to go to around 20 petrol stations where we'll try to sensitize people about changing their habit for better environment. And we are also looking forward to going to around 20 corporates in Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore, and making people aware about the environment. We have also made a video on this, which stars Mayank Tiwari, video on Change the Habit, Change the Habitat. Mayank Tiwari is a renowned writer, who is a co-writer for movies like Newton, Sulaimani Kira, and Newton, as you all know, is a movie which has been recently got the national award. So being associated with actors like Mayank Tiwari would definitely going to help this campaign and making it more so that more people get tied up with this campaign.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wow, what a moment. GAIL India is doing commendable job to make change in the environment. Hawa Badlo. Yes, we all need to do that. We all need to participate in this beautiful mission called Hawa Badlo. So let's take a pledge. Let's be amongst those million of people who are going to take pledge that yes, we will make a change. Together we can and we will. So let's do it. And guys, let's go on to our next news.